All right, we're just moving on to another breaking update that we are getting as of now, where Republic has accessed the call details of Sandeep Singh that show that it is extremely suspicious behavior that has been seen in those call records that show that he made calls to an individual called Akshay Bangar between the 14th and the 16th of June. There were 4 calls that have been exchanged. Who is Akshay and what was Sandeep talking about in those conversations that were held in those 4 calls that were exchanged between the two, between the 14th and the 16th of June. 14th is the day when Sushant Singh Rajput was found dead, and Sandeep Singh himself on Republic has maintained that he wasn't in touch with Sushant Singh Rajput over the last several months, but his behavior has been something which was extremely suspicious because he lands himself at the Bandra flat of Sushant Singh Rajput and then was later seen at the mortuary. He was seen how he was staging the police and even the ambulance drivers to go to the Cooper hospital, and then was spotted at the mortuary too. Now, calls that have been made to Akshay Bangar, that is being said between Sandeep Singh and Akshay, those calls were made between the 14th and the 16th of June 2020. Now it is being said that the call data records seems to be getting even more mysterious. Now Akshay, who was the ambulance driver, and his versions were very different to what the cook had been saying, and who actually was the one who saw the body of Sushant Singh Rajput. There have been various versions that were doing the rounds. And why was Sandeep Singh in talks with the ambulance driver 2 days after Sushant's death? 4 calls that were made to the ambulance driver. Now, Akshay's version was that he was the one who brought down the body. But according to the owner, he said it was the police who brought down the body. And Siddharth Pithani, another person who's being questioned since the last 4 days by the CBI, he said he was the one who took a knife and he had cut the cloth when he saw Sushant hanging from that green cloth in his room on the 14th. Going across to Prakash now, who's joining us live, where call data record seems to be extremely suspicious. Why was Sandeep talking to the ambulance driver? So there have been different versions as we had ourselves tracked down the ambulance driver and the owner who were present at the actor's residence on the 14th of June. And we had done an investigative report that not only exposed the major inconsistencies in Pithani's statements, but also raised questions in the investigation that was being conducted by the Mumbai police at that time. Prakash, the 4 calls that were exchanged between Sandeep Singh and the ambulance driver, why and what does it suggest?
Well, these are incriminating details that we have accessed, that the ambulance driver, Akshay, and Sandeep Singh, the person who took over the event leading to the cremation ground on 14 June. And we've got call details which suggest that there were 4 communications between Sandeep Singh and the ambulance driver Akshay. On the first call happened on 14th June, that is at 6:40 p.m. At around 48 seconds, Akshay calls up Sandeep Singh. On 14 June again, 7:57 p.m., 51 seconds, Akshay calls up Sandeep Singh. And 14 June, 9:59 p.m., 51 seconds, approximately around 10 p.m., Sandeep Singh again calls up Akshay, the ambulance driver, for 104 seconds. And then on 16th June, immediately after 2 days of death of Sushant Singh Rajput was cremated on 15th of June. At around 3:24 p.m. on 16th June, Akshay calls up Sandeep Singh. So this is very incriminating that even after the cremation and the postmortem that was done on 15th and on 16th, why did Sandeep Singh get in touch with Akshay, or rather Akshay calls up Sandeep Singh? the most important part is when I spoke to Akshay a few moments back, he says that I was called by the Bandra police and I have had no communication with a person called Sandeep Singh. He says in my telephonic conversation that he had no communication with Sandeep Singh and he doesn't know who he was. But as a matter of fact, this call details show that they have had communication and he's been lying. He says that he was called by the Bandra police, not by Sandeep Singh. So who asked Akshay to get in touch with Sandeep Singh? If he's saying that he was called by the Bandra police, then the Bandra police may have asked Akshay to call Sandeep Singh. So it seems that the Bandra police is aware of the fact that Akshay and Sandeep were communicating with each other on 14th, and on 16th, I fail to understand what business did Akshay or rather Sandeep had to communicate with each other when the last rites were done on 15th itself and the post-mortem was done on 14th itself because we have visuals of Cooper Hospital from where the body was brought down. So these are very serious details and one needs to find out as to what were the communication that happened between the two, because there are already serious issues pertaining to the investigation and the role of Sandeep Singh and the ambulance driver and the way ambulance was taken to the Cooper Hospital and two stretchers coming out. So we'll have to find out those also, and the CBI needs to look into it also. We are told that Sandeep Singh is being interrogated today by the CBI, and the CBI needs to look at this angle because the ambulance driver is the key person now, because ambulance driver is talking to Sandeep Singh's ambulance driver says that he was called by the Bandra police. It seems that the Bandra police and Sandeep Singh were also in touch. They were in close contact. That is why maybe the Bandra police may have asked the ambulance driver to get in touch with Sandeep Singh. So this is a triangle that has been formed with this conversation that we have accessed, the call details of Sandeep Singh and the ambulance driver. So these are very serious and incriminating details that the
yes.
CBI needs to look into, and
because,
already
Prakash, when we
the
did
Sandeep Singh
our
is in the eye of
investigation and in the interaction that the ambulance driver Akshay had with our team, now there were different versions that were floating. His version was very different from the owner of the ambulance as well, because Akshay had said that he was the one who brought the body down. He said that they are the ones who are hired by the police only. And he said that he had also been receiving some threat calls since the day from certain international numbers. Meanwhile, the owner of the ambulance, Lakshman, had said to our channel and to our investigative teams that it was the Mumbai police who brought down the body. Very different versions, very different from what Siddharth Pithani has also been claiming. And Sandeep's role is a big time question mark on what was his role, what was he doing then, why was he having a conversation, 4 calls, as you say, Prakash, that he exchanged between him and the ambulance driver Akshay.
Well, yes, there are 4 calls that has been exchanged between Akshay and Sandeep Singh. Again, we will detail the conversation as to when and what happened. There was a call from Akshay on 14 June at 6:40 p.m. for 48 seconds. 14 June again, second time, 7:57 p.m. for 51 seconds. 14 June again at around approximately 9:59 p.m. 51 seconds, that is around 10 p.m. For 104 seconds, Sandeep Singh calls up the ambulance driver. And on 16 June, immediately a day after cremation of Sushant Singh Rajput and 2 days after the death of Sushant Singh Rajput, Akshay calls up Sandeep Singh for 24 seconds. One fails to understand what was this conversation all about. What did the ambulance driver had to do with Sandeep Singh 2 days after SSR's death and 1 day after SSR's cremation? Now, when I spoke to Akshay half an hour back, he says that he was called by the Bandra police. I fail to understand what business does Akshay has to call up Sandeep Singh. So this is in the eye of suspicion and the CBI needs to investigate into it. Already Sandeep Singh has generated a lot of controversy and people have been making a lot of questions about him.
Well, Well, Sandeep Singh, so far his whereabouts are still unknown, Prakash, because time and again we have been keeping a close tab on his movement, and our team once again tried to reach out to him, but certain friend or a house help did not give his location, did not even say when he'll be returning home, just said that he's not at home, he has left the house. And this is something that even if the CBI will be calling upon him for questioning, his role continues to remain very, very suspicious, because there have not been one but several inconsistencies on his role, and something that the family has refused rather to even recognize him as a close friend of Sushant Singh Rajput, which he claims to be pretty close with Sushant.
Well, yes, Sandeep Singh has been making claims that he was pretty close to Sushant, but as a matter of fact, he had also said on the debate with Arnab Goswami that he had not spoken to Sushant Singh Rajput for almost an year. So one fails to understand what kind of friendship he had with Sushant Singh Rajput, and all of a sudden he drops in and takes over the event leading to the cremation ground. And he gets very close to his sister, and thereafter we have visuals of his speaking eyes as if he was talking to someone near the Cooper Hospital, and thereafter a visual of Riya Chakravarti also emerged coming out of the Cooper Hospital. So all these issues raises a lot of question for sure, and I'm sure the CBI will definitely look into this and interrogate Sandeep Singh in detail as to who all he was in touch with. So he was even in touch with Sanjay Nirupam for quite some time. So all those details need to be accessed. But this conversation between the ambulance driver Akshay and Sandeep Singh raises a lot of question, flags of an alarm as far as this investigation into SSR's death is concerned, because one fails to understand that 2 days after Sushant's death and 1 day after cremation, what business does Sandeep had to communicate with the ambulance driver, despite the fact that in my telephonic conversation half an hour back, the ambulance driver has claimed that he was called by the Bandra police. So I fail to understand, if he was called by the Bandra police,
so
then
did he
why
say
was he communicating with Sandeep Singh and not the Bandra police?